Welcome back to HSE Tutorials. Today we will be answering another NEBOSH IGC1 question. Outline possible reasons why good standards of health and safety may not be achieved in the workplace. And don't forget to subscribe to HSE Tutorials. Following are the main factors that can prevent a workplace from maintaining high health and safety standards. 1. Lack of management commitment and leadership towards health and safety. 2. Poor morale and low motivation among workers. 3. High staff turnover or frequent organizational changes causing instability. 4. Conflicting priorities with production targets and deadlines taking precedence over safety. 5. Insufficient resources, including funding, equipment, and staff. 6. Poor communication and consultation between management and the workforce. 7. Inadequate training, leading to a lack of competence and awareness. 8. Failure to carry out risk assessments or implement safe systems of work. 9. Weak enforcement of rules or lack of supervision. 10. Conflicting or unclear standards that cause confusion. 11. Unsafe behaviors, either due to mistakes, risk-taking, or complacency. 12. Poor monitoring and review, meaning issues are not identified or corrected.